Imagine turning on your TV and feeling like the entire entertainment world just shifted. That is exactly the kind of moment Apple is preparing for with the Apple TV 4K 2025. And today, you're going to hear everything about it. Not rumors, not recycled hype, but a clear picture of what Apple is building and why the 2025. Apple TV 4K might quietly become one of the most important devices in your home. If you think the Apple TV has always been just a streaming box, get ready, because this new model is on a completely different level. For years, the Apple TV 4K was a niche product. Only a certain type of user bought it, people who wanted the smoothest streaming, the best picture quality, and the power of the Apple ecosystem on a big screen. But 2025 changes everything. Apple is transforming the Apple TV into something bigger, something more intelligent, something that feels like the missing piece of a smart home. And the reason is simple. Apple wants your TV to be your central hub, your entertainment brain, your personal AI assistant all in one. The first thing that grabs attention is the performance jump. Apple is finally bringing a much more powerful chip to the Apple TV 4K 2025, instead of basic streaming power. This device is now built for high-end gaming, advanced AI features, smoother navigation, and apps that behave like full computer software. Apple doesn't want you to think of this box as a streamer anymore. They want you to see it as a small but mighty computer connected to your TV. And the best part? That power means almost instant loading. No lag in opening apps. No buffering. No waiting for animations. Everything feels instant, smooth, and clean, exactly the Apple experience people expect. Now, let's talk picture quality. Because even though past Apple TV 4K models already looked incredible, Apple is pushing it further. Expect upgraded HDR handling, deeper contrast, and a picture that adapts intelligently to your room's lighting. Your movies will look more cinematic. Your sports will feel more lifelike. And your games will look sharper and smoother. But what truly stands out is how smart the image processing is becoming. Apple wants the 2025 model to deliver a picture that adjusts itself automatically so the viewer always gets the best possible result without touching a single setting. And speaking of smart, the real star of Apple TV for K2025 is Apple Intelligence. For the first time ever, Apple's AI system is coming to the big screen. That alone is a huge shift. You'll be able to ask your TV questions normally saved for your iPhone. You can search for movies in natural language. You can get personalized suggestions that actually make sense. Instead of scrolling for 20 minutes trying to pick something, Apple Intelligence will curate options based on your mood, the time of day, your preferences, and even your recent activity. Think of it like this. Instead of navigating your TV starts navigating for you. AI also improves the experience in ways you may not expect. Subtitles that automatically appear only when dialogue is hard to hear. Voice isolation that boosts clarity. Personalized profiles that adjust instantly when you sit down. And seamless integration with Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Fitness Plus, HomeKit, and your iPhone. This brings us to a major upgrade. Deeper smart home control. Apple isn't hiding the fact anymore. Your TV is about to become your home hub. Through the Apple TV 4K 2025, you will control lights, cameras, locks, thermostats, and sensors directly on the big screen. Live camera views, automation suggestions, multi-camera displays, and AI-powered alerts are all part of the experience. Apple is slowly building a world where your TV is the main window into your home's activity. And that's before we even get to gaming. Apple is putting serious focus on Apple Arcade in 2025 with the new chip, larger storage options, better Bluetooth controller support, and high frame rate gaming in 4K. Apple wants to attract console-style players who don't want to spend money on a huge console. No discs, no updates, no giant boxes, just high-quality games streamed or downloaded instantly. And with Apple Intelligence on top, your TV can recommend games based on your mood or play style. Now let's talk about the design. It's still compact, but more refined. Slimmer edges, a softer finish, in a more premium look. The remote also receives improvements, better battery efficiency, enhanced touch response, stronger Bluetooth range, and a new microphone system designed to work perfectly with on-device AI. Apple is also testing new finishes and colors. It's giving the Apple TV a modern premium feel. But the biggest design change is actually internal. Apple is expected to improve the thermals significantly, allowing sustained high-performance tasks like gaming or long streaming sessions without heat buildup. This might sound small, but it completely changes how reliable and future-proof the device becomes. Price is the one part everyone wonders about. Apple wants to keep it appealing for regular users, so the pricing is expected to stay in a similar range. But Apple may introduce two variants, standard model and a higher storage model for gamers and heavy app users. And now, let's talk about one of the most exciting possibilities: Apple Vision Pro integration. Apple is creating an ecosystem where your Apple TV, your iPhone, and your Vision headset work like one system. You'll be able to mirror experiences, share immersive content, and even use Vision Pro as a remote control or a display extension. Imagine watching a movie on your big screen and seamlessly pulling it into a virtual theater without any effort. Another major improvement is audio. Apple is working on deeper spatial audio support, better HomePod integration, and more advanced Dolby Atmos processing. When combined with the new AI audio enhancements, you get clearer voices, deeper bass, and more immersive surround sound. This is the kind of audio upgrade that makes your home theater feel alive. But beyond all these features, what makes the Apple TV 4K2025 interesting isn't the hardware. It's the way Apple is rethinking the role of the TV itself. Instead of being a passive screen, your TV becomes a smart, personal, context-aware assistant. It's helpful. It's intuitive. It knows what you want before you ask, and it delivers a level of convenience that older TVs simply cannot match. Think of everything you use your iPhone for: entertainment, organization, planning, communication. Now Apple wants your TV to handle that same intelligence in your living room. This changes everything: how you watch content, how you manage your home, how you enjoy games, how you listen to music, and how you experience daily life. And this is why the Apple TV 4K2025 is more than a streaming device. It's the gateway to Apple's future ecosystem. A small box that delivers massive value, a device that grows smarter over time, and a product built for the next 5 to 10 years. The more you look at the 2025 model, the more it becomes clear that Apple sees your TV as the heart of your digital world. With faster performance, more intelligence, stronger connectivity, better picture quality, improved gaming, refined controls, and deeper integration across Apple devices, this is Apple's strongest push yet into the living room. If you've never owned an Apple TV before, this might be the year it finally makes sense. And if you already own one, the upgrades in the 2025 model are powerful enough to make you want to switch. Apple is redefining what a TV box can be. The result is something that feels futuristic, smart, and surprisingly personal. By the time the Apple TV 4K2025 launches, the way you think about entertainment will change. This device isn't just made to stream content, it's made to shape your entire viewing experience, your home experience, and even the way you interact with technology. And if Apple succeeds with this plan, Apple TV 4K2025 won't just be another tech release, it will be the beginning of a new era in the smart home ecosystem.